Where is the vape?
You goddamn vaping little bastard.
Son of a gun.
I'll catch you vaping. I catch you vaping. You know what's gonna happen? That vape is gonna end up your ass. I'm gonna...
Clear is my favorite color gummy bear, and I will stand by that until the day I die.
Oh, hell no, you guys have to see this. What the heck is that? That looks... Oh, hell no.
So my boyfriend and his friends from high school all play tag the whole month of July, just like the movie Tag. They all live 2 hours plus from each other, but that doesn't stop them. No boundaries, no tag backs. Today my BF tagged his friend while he was in the middle of coaching in an all-star baseball game. Safe to say Colin is it now.
That's me.
So I always envision like the moment when someone proposes to me and what it's gonna look like when I'm looking down at him, but I never thought about what it looks like from his point of view, so I figured I would check it out. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're oh god. Okay, never getting married.
We do not have time for your relationship issues! Get in the car! We're trying to drive! We got places to be!
Hey Jasmine, you're up next to present for the meeting. Jasmine, if you could just wake up. Jasmine, you're asleep. Take yourself off mute and wake up. Jasmine, you're asleep, wake up. Take yourself off mute, wake up. Jasmine, wake up. Jasmine.
Do you wanna know what doesn't make any sense to me? I don't know how a birthday cake can be its own flavor if a birthday cake can be any flavor.
Okay, I will. Okay, bye. 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 Bridget, how do you feel? Bought the ticket. You asked $500,000. Oh my god!
Over 500. No, give it to me. I think there's a multiplier too.
Hold on. Okay, you can buy me a new car. Call her back. Call her back. Just call her back. Send her the picture.
Wait, because yeah, look at it goes off of every single one. So you won 500,000.
Can we go back to the station, please? Go back.
You can't. You got to go to the mass lottery.
What? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Is she really?
Okay, let me see it. Look at.
Yes, it's right. Oh.
Wait, I need to read this. Oh, there's a multiplier bonus box.
I can't breathe.
Times 1, but still.
Wait, can we just go back and ask if it's...
Bro, I'm at the dog park right now. I was just making a TikTok and all of a sudden... What the fuck? Oh my god. I saw this in the camera behind me and literally was like, it's my time. I've been manifesting getting abducted for forever and it's finally here. Like the UFO is literally landing behind me. But then I turn around. Motherfucker.
If you look closely in this window right here, you see my stimulus check still sitting on the desk.
Tony, first you gotta unlock this thing. Hey, check, come, water!
Offer your boyfriend a glass of water suspiciously while videoing and see if he drinks it.
What are you doing? Are you making this a nasty drink? You disgusting. You disgusting.
Don't. Baby, don't. Why is there salt in there? There's a hair.
Take some.
No, what's in it?
Just try it.
Why were you mixing it?
It's really good.
On us. Oh. Just f***ing water.
You just get served your divorce papers at the lake. It really did. I can't.
Whoa! No! 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 What? Mallory.
What?
Dr. Pepper and a bell pepper. Take a sip.
No, man.
Mallory, there's customers. Just take a sip.
Fine.
Well, what do you think?
Look, that tastes like shit. What is that?
It's poop water, stupid ass.
I got a belly button piercing, and this is how she reacted.
I know
you
that
should.
that's not a magnet.
That is a magnet.
I am 6 years old. I know better than that. That's not a magnet.
That's
a real piercing.
No, but why?
That's a real
Okay, tell me why you're mad. Tell me why you're mad.
I'm mad.
Why?
You got a piercing and you're still 18. You haven't told your parents yet. And I'm 6 and I know better. I know that that's not in pure. I know that that's not.
That's not what?
That's not.
That's not what?
That's
Valuable.
not fake. That's real.
No, it's not.
And you got a real piercing.
Baby, it's not
I'm
a
just
real.
mad. You have a hole in your stomach now, and that won't go away.
Did that just summon her?
Can you?
I have it all on video. This man right here, he just said he refused to serve my kind. I don't know, what are you doing? What do you say for yourself, bro?
So I'm gonna need you to put your pants back on.
I have literally never seen someone play this game like this before.
So basically 2013 BMW, the issue we're having today is that right there around the valve cover area, we're leaking oil. I'm not sure. Bro, don't worry about it. What up, bro? We're leaking oil right around that.
Okay, so I hope I'm not like the only human on the planet to not know this, but a while back my dad came over and was watching me do laundry, and if you use this kind of soap that dispenses down into this little cup, you know, it's really convenient, but it sucks when you pour it out because all the stuff gets stuck on the inside. My dad said to me, you know, you can just throw the whole cup in there. I'm like, what do you mean? I always pour it all in there. And he's like, no, just throw the whole cup in the washer, and then it washes itself.
Okay, we'll see you later. Don't worry, we'll keep our clothes on.
I'm your brother.
I just walked in on my f***ing brother calling a girl princess. You are a tramp, you understand?
You call them daddy, so.
Oh, God. I've been cracked! Crack the back.
Okay, and why are you late?
I was making extra blueberry waffles.
All right. Michael, why are you sending Jake Snapchats? Scary.
I was perfect.
If the cops start coming for me, I'ma flee. I don't care.
Not your busted truck, you're not.
So either you die here or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain, i.e. you either graduate high school and go on to something else, or you become the teacher.
For the foul language, but that's just...
You're not sorry.
Who, me?
Yeah, you curse all class.